Hello everyone, today we know about how to create custom invoice. So first if you want to create a custom invoice, click on plus icon, then click on this up button. After the clicking on this button, this tab of windows open. Okay, you can see this tab of dashboard is open for the create invoice. You can see name, phone number, address, add fields, barcode, item subtotals, payment mode, total amount. Okay, first we create the custom invoice from the name number, then add numbers. I am putting just random numbers, then address. After putting this add, you can the add field. From this icon, you can choose if your price is saved inventories item. You can choose from them. You can add or you can add empty field also, like we are using empty field. After the pressing it, this tab of screen open, then I just mention quote quantity 1 and the price 1200. Then you can see item subtotal is 1200 rupees. Now you can check on the payment mode. I choose cash, then create. If you want to put some due amount or advance amount, you can put on it. Just like a customer give me the 500 rupees advance, so I mention in it. Okay, for example, then create. Then this tab of screen is open where your invoice is already here created. In invoice, the boutique name, invoice number, customer name, the item we will choose, everything will mention on it. You can share this invoice directly by the WhatsApp printing. You can download it and share by many options. Okay, so this tab you can create a custom invoice. Thank you.